Hello guys, I am Harish Shetty from Bunny Tech YouTube channel. Here I am going to show you how to download a Windows 10 operating system from official website without any pirated software or pirated websites. Here we have to go with the google.com. Here type the Windows 10 media creation tool, first link. Here you can see the Microsoft.com. This is the official website. You can download the Windows 10 operating system ISO file from this link. Here they show I am marking the download tool now. This option, it will click on this option. It will download one media creation tool. This tool I am already downloaded. Now I don't require to download again. Here open with the folder. Here media creation tool 20S2. S2 means 2004. Double click on it, this software. Click on S. It will take some time to read your system architecture. It will check the 32-bit or 64-bit your PC is using, processor and the RAM, everything is checking. Based on your PC performance, it will suggest that this is the file, this pro or any education or something professional. This is recommended for your PC. They are showing the proper and the fetching your architecture based on your PC performance. It takes some time. Okay, here they given the license agreements. Click on accept. Getting a few things ready. Okay, here you can see the what you want to do. Upgrade this PC now. This PC is already upgraded and latest one is patch is installed. Here click on the install media creation USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. You can use this ISO file using bootable pen drives. Click on this create installation media and click on the next file. Here they are recommending this PC is 64-bit architecture. Here I am selecting both. We can install both. It will download the both 32-bit and the 64-bit simultaneously. You can install. The required 8 GB pen drive is required. If you click on the 32-bit means it will download the 4.5 GB. If you click on the means 8, both means it will take 6 GB ISO file. Here I am selecting United States and the Windows 10 editions both, and the architecture is both. Click on the next. Here they are showing it need to be at least 8 GB. Not required. Just click on the ISO file. You need to burn the ISO file to the DVD later. You can burn or you can bootable this ISO file on the later. Click on this next. Okay, this showing is okay. I'm selecting the download files. Click on save. It's preparing some files to download. Okay, progressing 0%. Its download depends upon your internet speed connections. It takes some time. Just leave it on as it is. You can do your work. Continue. Thanks for this is the part 1 video. I will show the part 2 video how to boot this ISO file using pen drive. Thanks for watching Bunny Tech.